Hey everyone, my name's Colton, and today I'll be setting up the dental cart. Your cart comes with everything you need for assembly. These items are the Allen wrench, the bolts, the washers, the wrench, the top shelf, adjustable shelf, tower, base, wheels, and power cord. To begin, we'll screw the wheels into the base. Two of these wheels are going to have a built-in locking mechanism. While most people place these at the back of the cart, you can position them however you prefer. Once the wheels are attached, we'll use the bolts and washer to secure the tower to the base. Make sure the power outlets on the tower are facing downwards and at an angle, just like this. It can help to lay the base on its side while attaching the tower to make things easier. For attaching it, we'll be using the larger screws with the washers. After that, we'll flip the cart upright so it's resting on its wheels. Next, we'll attach the top shelf to the top of the tower and secure it with the two smaller bolts that were included. Now, we'll add the small shelf by inserting these pieces into the holes in the tower. You can place this at any level you would like. Now we will plug the included power cord into the bottom of the tower. And just like that, your cart is set up and ready to use. Thanks for watching. Check out our other YouTube videos for more information and be sure to follow us on social media. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell for future videos.